Okay, you guys, I decided to make a full video of the potato wedges. As you can see, I cut them into little potato wedges. Last time I cut them in half. So you're just going to get your favorite oil and your favorite seasonings. I just use regular oil and I think that's olive oil, and I just use my basic seasonings that I use on everything. Go ahead and start seasoning your potato wedges and don't put too much. I usually like to use my hand under my seasonings to kind of gauge how much I'm putting, but this time I was recording, so I had to use my hand. And I like to use garlic powders. I used to use garlic salts and onion salt and things like that, but I switched to powders. I think it's more healthier. So let's go ahead and finish seasoning our potato wedges. You can use any seasoning that you like. And I gotta look up the recipe to put this in the oven. Today we are using an air fryer, so if you have an air fryer, this is a quick snack. I like to eat these after I work out or just when I feel like snacking on something. It's really quick. It only takes 13 minutes, so you'll see at the end how fast it really is. So let's go ahead and shake up these wedges. I like to put a lid over my bowl so I can go ahead and get a full shake. And go ahead and put them in an air fryer. Make sure it's one layer. Set it on 400 and make sure you put the timer to 13 minutes. Yep. And voila, here it is, the finished product. And they were so good. I hope you guys like this video.